Good afternoon, my good people. I hope you're having a good day. Yeah, as you can see, we are back again with another solve for x equation. So if you see this kind of problem inside your question paper, please do not panic. This is a piece of cake. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is to rewrite this here, like rewrite this 3x to the power 3. And then the second thing you want to do is to transpose this positive 27x to the left hand side. And remember what I said, if a number jumps over an equal sign, it becomes negative or positive. Yeah, so because this positive 27x is positive, when it jumps over the equal sign, it will become negative 27x. Please remember that. Yeah, because we are solving for x, if we take this positive 27x to the left hand side, we are going to be left with 0. So we write it over here. Yeah, on our second step, we are going to take out our highest common factor, which is going to be 3x, and then we open a big fat bracket and we say 0. So which variable do we multiply with this number and this variable in order for us to get 3x to the power 3? If you said x to the power 2, you are correct. And then we come again, which number do we multiply with this number in order for us to get negative 27x? Well, if you said negative 9, you are correct, because if we multiply 3x with x to the power 2, we are going to get 3x to the power 3. Remember, when we multiply base are the same, we add the exponents. There's an invisible one here. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then we come back to this. 3x times negative 9 gives us negative 27x. We can put it on your calculator if you're not sure. Just 3 multiply by negative 9 will give you negative 27. And then this x goes with the negative 27. Yeah. And then on our third step, we are going to say 3x equals 0, because we are solving for x. Yeah. And we will divide both sides by 3 in order for us to be left with x. So 3 will divide 3 will cancel 3, and then we will be left with x equals to, remember, 0 divided by any number will always give you 0. Yeah, so we write this 0 here. But we are not done. So we come here and say, or x squared minus 9 equals 0. I hope you are familiar with dots, like dots, which means difference of two squares. Yeah, I hope you are familiar with that, because we are going to use it right here, my good people. We are going to use it right here. So it's going to be, when we use it right here, it's going to be 2 brackets x and x, because x multiplied by x will give you x squared, because when we multiply, base are the same, we add the exponents. And then we say positive and negative, because positive multiplied by negative will always give you negative. And then we say 3 and 3, because positive 3 multiplied by negative 3 will give you negative 9. We can put that on a calculator if you are not sure again. Positive 3 multiplied by negative 3 will give you negative 9. So I hope we are clear. And then here we are going to say x plus 3 is equals to 0. and then we say, or x minus 3 equals 0. We are not done, my good people. Remember, we are solving for x, not x plus 3. So, our next step, we are going to take this positive 3 and transpose it to the right hand side. And remember, when a number jumps over an equal sign, it will change a sign. So, x will equal to negative 3, or x will equal to 3, because negative 3, when we take it to the right hand side, it will change a sign, which is 3. So that's it for today, guys. Please make sure to follow and like for more content like this. Thank you.